Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. So uke wacoach i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, uJohnson uyakhala ngokuthi why i-Kaizer Chiefs ingadlalisi abadlali bayo abancane, more specifically uMfundo Vilakazi. Uyasho ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi wenza kahle kakhulu laphana for amajita. Why bangamdlalisi angatholi more game time laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Why angaqali for i-Kaizer Chiefs? Asingeneni kuyo-ke bafethu, singayikhi phezulu, siyichaze le way esiyibona ngakhona ukuthi kahle kahle uthini laphana umfowethu, yabo. So i-generation enkulu le ye-Kaizer Chiefs obvious aboMfundo Vilakazi, noma ngithi i-generation or iplayer elifana noMfundo Vilakazi, iplayer eline-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs because une-flair, una-everything edingwa yi-Kaizer Chiefs. So uyi-top young talent uMfundo Vilakazi, but akadlali regularly laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-club level overall. That is why simbona aya kuphi ku-World Cup, and abanye abantu banokuzibuza ukuthi hayibo, why i-Kaizer Chiefs idedele uMfundo Vilakazi aye ku-World Cup but bebadlala ama-matches a-important kangaka because bekadingeka laphana. Kuyasho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs they don't think bayamdinga uMfundo Vilakazi ngaleyo ndlela, or bamnika ama-opportunities ukuthi abonwe all over the world. Asazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs icabanga kanjani. So i-statement saka-Johnson bafethu ushaya straight khona because mekhuluma laphana ne-far post, uncome amajita ngoku-reach-a i-round of 16, but kuquestionile ukuthi ama-teams afana no-Kaizer Chiefs enzani ngempela, why lama-youngsters angadlali emathimini wabo overall. I mean sebenzisa uMfundo Vilakazi as i-example ukuthi akadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean i-debate enkulu lena because abantu abaningi bafethu bayabuza ngoMfundo Vilakazi vele. Bengilaphana e-stadium bafethu, or njalo uma ngise-stadium abantu bebabuza ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi ukuphi, why angadlali. And njalo i-Kaizer Chiefs when they have ama-problems with creativity bayabuza ngokuthi uVilakazi ukuphi because he is needed laphana. Une-flair, isikhathi esiningi uya-attack-a, so umdlali ngempela ongabhenefitha i-Kaizer Chiefs greatly, but i-Kaizer Chiefs kubonakala ngathi ayikuboni lokho bafowethu. So I mean kunzima for uMfundo Vilakazi ukuthi adlale wonke ama-games. Ngikhumbula isizini uma isaqala or kuma-pre-season bebathi abantu abaningi bebathi this could be a big season for uVilakazi, so kumele athole ama-opportunities a-serious laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngoba uyakwazi ukukhompitha ku-international level. Bekhona laphana ku-AFCON ama-under 20, bekhona like kuma-different tournament, wadlala kahle kakhulu laphana what is this, amajita. uKaizer Chiefs kumele akwazi ukudlala, so i-potentially uMfundo Vilakazi masimbheka bafethu, umfana omncane une-potential. It's one of the most gifted attacking midfielders laphana because ukwazi ukudlala i-wing, ukwazi ukudlala futhi as number 10, so versatile. Awuyawakhukha ama-pass bafethu, awuyawapheka, awuyalishaya iphasi umfethu. Uma simbukele laphana ku-World Cup bafethu, ama-pass awashayayo amanye a-leader to ama-assist, amanye kuba yi-secondary assist in a way, kufana nokuthi uzoshaya iphasi anike u-April, u-April then alifake kube i-assist. So very skillful, une-flair, and then i-flair yakhe akayibonisi lapha ku-World Cup. Udlala nje i-basic football ukuthi nje uyabaphakela, uyabanika, already uproduce ama-assist nama-moments of umlingo bafowethu laphana ku-World Cup. Uzithola edlala kahle kakhulu, even ama-commentators laphana ku-World Cup ayamncoma, is highly celebrated-ke manje. Imagine bafowethu internationally sebayamazi, even nama-commentators ayasho ukuthi uyi-star ethimini yakhe, but-ke they didn't dig deep uma bathi uyi-star ethimini yakhe, ukuthi usekadlala ama-match awungakhi, highly influential kangakanani. So umdlali lona onga-shape izinto for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but kubonakala ngathi abaka-believe-eli kuye fully. So akusiwuye kuphela obviously iplayer bafowethu laphana kumajita, khona ama-player kuMamelodi Sundowns, aboThato Sibiya bafowethu, abangakadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns, but uyambona umfowethu ukuthi ulo urepresenta i-golden generation naye. Cabanga amajita ukuthi yenza izinto zenzeke bafowethu, but-ke abafana abaningi laphana bakathola ama-opportunities ukuthi badlale emathimini wabo because abanye baku-DDC team, abanye uthola ukuthi abanye abanawo, uthola ukuthi omunye akanawo ne-team, but-ke abafowethu badlala kahle kakhulu. I think mina ngiyabahlonipha abaningi abadlala laphana, amajita adlala kahle kakhulu. So this should show ama-teams ase-South Africa ukuthi ama-players are-well equipped ukuthi angakhompitha ku-first team. Why ama-teams ase-South Africa angawathembi ama-youngsters kakhulu? Because ama-youngsters, I mean bhekana uNeo, ubani le player leli, ubani, uRaphoe, yes uRaphoe lo wokuSwelele. uSwelele bayamdlalisa, they believe kuye, bayamdlalisa week in and week out, uhlezi ekhona. Is one of the most trusted footballers laphana ethimini yakhe bafowethu. So I mean nabo amanye ama-teams anga-adopta le style seSwelele, ukuthi iSwelele asenzi kahle, yes, but-ke umfowethu super talented. That is why akwazi ukuthola ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale laphana kuSwelele. I mean uJohnson meqhubeka laphana ucriticizer not just i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela but i-system as a whole. Umenshine ama-tournament afana nabo-Machel nabo-COSAF ukuthi yibo labafana okumele badlale kulawo ma-competitions lawa, because ayikho into enkulu kulawo ma-competitions, abafana bazokwazi ukugeyina i-experience. But ko-Machel i-South Africa ifuna ukuhambisa abo-Kick and Dolly abanganama-team, abondlondlo at the time bekangana-team, abo-Lipasa, kanti-ke ngabe basebenzisa o-Chan nabo-COSAFA ukukhulisa abafana ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola i-experience ku-international scale or ku-international level overall laphana. But-ke sithembe ukuthi mebebuya ne-experience yabo bafowethu I mean they'll be given more opportunities emathimini wabo laphana overall. Sibafisela inhlanhla overall abafana bafowethu. Yeah, i-South Africa inayo ithalente. I think this moment njengoba benza kahle kanje ama-under 20 izo-evoke something, bazoqala ukubheka labafana babahloniphe kakhulu. I mean abanye bathole amalokhunjana ama-promotions from i-DDC team after ukuphefoma kahle kakhulu ku-AFCON under 20, aboSibiya, aboKekana, nabanye nje abadlali, even nalo Kaizer Chiefs ubani, uKabelo Nkwesa azange bamselect-e ku-final team but-ke naye uke waba khona laphana ku-under 20. So abadlali aba-represent i-golden generation, abadlali ngempela badeserve i-opportunity, i-chance yangempela ukuthi ba-represent-e ama-teams wabo laphana ku-Betway Premiership. But-ke nayi honesty bafowethu, sikhulume kahle, I mean i-pressure kuma-coaches laphana ku-Betway Premiership i-too much, bajajwa ngama-results not based on i-development laphana. I-coach mayiluze lese iluza 3 games or so kuba nzima kakhulu bafowethu. So ukuthrusta ama-teenagers isikhathi esiningi kuba i-risk because of abakadlali at the highest level, nanokuthi-ke abakadevelophi igame yabo at the highest level. Maybe bangabathemba mase bano-22, 23, but ku-rare ukuthi bathembe i-teenage. Yes, akhona anokudlala adlalayo but yilaba abane-special talent ngempela. I think enye into mentally kumele babe strong because thola ukuthi ama-teenagers awakabi ready, amaningi awekho wired different ukuthi akwazi ukuhandle i-pressure yokudlala ku-Betway Premiership, bayatatazela, badinga i-experience. But-ke abanye bayabonisa ukuthi ba-well equipped bona ukuthi bangakwazi ukuhandlela i-pressure. Enye into esingakhuluma ngayo i-experience, I mean i-lack of experience iyesha kakhulu ne-management. Ama-supporters isikhathi esiningi especially kuma-big teams bafethu afuna i-success immediately. Asikho isikhathi sokubekezela sokuthi bazombekezelela umfana cause kufunwa ama-results same time. Abafuni ukubuilder, bafuna ukuthola ama-final products ama-team amaningi, like abantu abazodeliver immediately. I mean obviously at the same time amalokhunjana amapolitiki laphana emaklabhini ukuthi ba-prioritize i-experience nomuntu onegama osekhulisa igama lakhe ku-senior level over i-raw talent like abafana abancane ukuthi babanike i-chance. At the same time, I mean i-transition laphana ama-academies amaningi awekho like awa-prepare ama-players wabo, yile nto bengisho bafethu, mentally and physically. I-demand yaku-P_S_L nokudlala nje laphana nabantu abane-experience. Yeah, but sithembe ukuthi amathalente afana nabo Vilakazi a-crucial ngempela for i-development of i-South African football, ukuthi bakwazi ngelinye ilanga ukudlalisa abadlali abano-16 babathembe, because bakhona abadlali abangadlala ku-Betway Premiership bafethu abano-16, but if abano-19, 18 abadlali, what about laba abancane? Ibhola labo bayababona ukuthi banalo ithalente, yes, but-ke bayabadawutha because of not proven kakhulu ukuthi abafana abaningi bayashine. That is why masibona uRelem Mofokeng nge-Orlando Pirates noMbokazi, breath of fresh air bafowethu, because siyababona, sibabonile befika bano-19 bafike bashayina ebholeni lase-South Africa overall. Like masinga-compare ama-youngsters wase-South Africa nama-youngsters wako-Senegal, o-Morocco, o-Nigeria, I mean eNigeria they can trust i-17-year-old ukuthi ize-performa laphana ku-first team, not just ukuthi for a show nanokuthi babonise abantu ukuthi bayaphefoma banama-youngsters, but-ke balethe abantu abaziyo ukuthi ngempela bazo-contribute-a kakhulu, and i-transition yabo i-smooth than ukuthi baye kuma-senior competitions. Meanwhile or ku-senior team, meanwhile i-South Africa celebrate-a ithalente, but-ke i-progress yakhe yadileya because bayampromote umuntu wakhona then ithatha isikhathi ukuthi a-transition-e kahle. Imagine if uVilakazi bekase-Europe, ngabe udlala week in and week out-ke bafowethu kuma-league a-top, mese boma-Belgium, but-ke mentally kumele abe strong. But even if bekangadlali ku-first team, but-ke ama-youth systems wabo like khona ubani lo uCampbell or ubani bafowethu lo bekumele naye beku-under 20 lo odlalela iClub Brugge, udlala ku-B team isikhathi esiningi. I-B team yakhona i-highly competitive futhi naku-Champions League ku-squad banokumselect bamfake ngaboma-80 something minutes, but ku-B team nakhona i-B team yabo i-highly competitive because idlala ku-second division. Kule league le uPercy Tau naye eBelgium waqala khona. So kuma-systems anjalo ukuthi okay, i-team noma ningambeki ku-first team but i-B team yena ibe strong kakhulu. I think Kaizer Chiefs into engayenza especially for uVilakazi kumele bamnike i-responsibility enkulu, badimande ukuthi ama-young graduates wabo afana nabo Vilakazi and others ukuthi baba-train I think mentally ukuthi bakwazi ukuhandle i-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs, at the same time babanike ama-opportunities because ufuna ukupha umuntu ama-opportunities amaningi sena-25 by then thola ukuthi ilo confidence yakhe seyile phansi umfana. Ama-solution ukubhilda bafowethu from what they are doing nama-under 20, kumele babhilde from lapho, babanike i-game time, ba-restructure like ama-competitions lawa afana nabo-Diski Challenge are-important, yes, but-ke from i-Diski Challenge bowudlala i-CHAN noma i-COSAFA, i-real development i-platform leyo bafowethu because ukudlala ku-CHAN udlala nabantu abadlala kwamanye ama-country let's say la e-Africa, aba-strong, aba-powerful, abafana-ke bangakwazi ukuthola i-experience fast and then bakwazi uku-fast track i-progress yabo bafowethu overall laphana. So I mean le culture le ukuthi they have a fear ama-coaches ukuthi bazoluza because they're building i-team encane. I mean ezinye izinto ekumele ama-players afundiswe zona engike ngazisho bafethu, ba-investe ku-mental development of ama-player, bakwazi ukufundisa ama-player ukuthi bayihandlela kanjani i-pressure ku-top flight, ne-social media ukuthi bayihandlela kanjani. I mean obviously ba-create ama-long term plans but ama-team amaningi abheka kuma-short term bafowethu. Uthola ukuthi i-team isayine umuntu ona-34, i-short term leyo bafowethu, as much as uthola ukuthi beka-biggest star whatever but una-34 i-short term. Like uGustin Sireno ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-short term plan, akusi uGustin Sireno akanayo the next 5 years ku-Kaizer Chiefs, there's no way. So izinto abangazama ngempela ukuyi-improve, but if uMfundo Vilakazi, one of the most talented players, one-flair, one-intelligence, one-passion yebhola, akadlali regular football laphana, what about abanye-ke, i-hope yabanye? Because iqiniso ukuthi ithalente alimini nix, alichazeli lutho if ama-opportunities amaningi awuwatholi laphana ukuthi uziprove. Upaper 2 isikhathi esiningi ungena second half late, uthola ukuthi sokumoshakele vele, and then i-responsibility yakhe iba too much. But-ke realize nanokuthi i-position mhlawumbe kumele bambeke ku-better position upaper 2 cause siyambona laphana ku-under 20 bafethu bambeke ku-perfect position. Le ngike ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi upaper 2 udinga ukubekwa as i-number 10, akanaso isipiti kufana nabo Mduduzi Shabalala, Augustine Sireno, but guess what, he's a good passer off the ball. Sibambelana bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe le Inkuli Soccer.